Hi everyone. Today's topic is Women and Children Law in India. Crimes against women and children in India are strictly governed by the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POSCO Act, and specific civil and criminal statutes. Let's check those acts. Key laws protecting women. First, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, which provides a civil remedy for women facing physical, emotional, sexual, verbal, or economic abuse within a domestic relationship. Second, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition, and Redressal Act 2013 mandates a safe work environment and requires employers to establish Internal Complaints Committee (ICC) for grievance redressal. Third, the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, which makes taking and giving dowry illegal and penalizing coercive demands. Fourth, the Immoral Traffic Prevention ITPA Act 1956 prevents trafficking and sexual exploitation. Fifth, Indian Penal Code or Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita contains strict provisions criminalizing rape, outraging the modesty of a woman, stalking, and acid attacks. Key laws protecting children. First, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POSCO Act 2012, which provides a highly stringent and specialized legal framework to acknowledge and punish various forms of child sexual abuse, ensuring the trial is child-friendly. Second, Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 ensures a safety net of services for children in need of care and protection as well as those in conflict with the law, prioritizing rehabilitation. Third, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 declares child marriages voidable at the option of the contracting party and penalizes adults who perform or promote such marriages. Fourth, the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 completely bans the employment of children below 14 and restricts the employment of adolescents in non-hazardous occupations. Constitutional safeguards. The Indian Constitution provides the fundamental rights for both women and children. Article 14 guarantees the equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. Article 15(3) empowers the state to make special provisions specifically for the protection and welfare of women and children. Article 21 ensures the right to life and personal liberty, which encompasses the right to live a life free from violence and abuse. Article 21A guarantees free and compulsory education for all children between the ages of 6 and 14. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children in factories, mines, or any other hazardous employment.